Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at TIAN RUIXIANG Holdings Limited, ticker symbol TIRX, and TANTECH Holdings Limited, ticker symbol TANH, two Chinese notification of noncompliance plays. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in that description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out INVO pre-market today, April 17th, 2024, before its parabolic run up 360%. We also called out TIRX, one of the stocks we're reviewing in this video tonight, today, April 17th, before its parabolic run up 312% in after hours. EDBL was also called in our private Discord pre-market today, before it ran up 173%. And we called out SPEC pre-market today, April 17th, 2024, before it ran up 157%. VIAO was also called out in our private Discord pre-market today, April 17th, before it ran up 153%. And we called out SINT pre-market today, April 17th, before it ran up 103%. And finally, we called out AWIN pre-market today on April 17th, before it ran up 102%. We are just made different. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, guys, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how to use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it. First, with TIAN RUIXIANG Holdings Limited, ticker symbol TIRX, which is headquartered in Beijing, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ insurance services company with a $1.59 million market cap and 22 employees. RUIXIANG Holdings Limited, along with its subsidiaries, operates as an insurance broker in China and the United States. It distributes a range of products, including property and casualty insurance, such as automobile, commercial property, liability, and accidental insurance, and life insurance comprising of individual and group life insurances, as well as health and miscellaneous. It serves individual or institutional customers. The company was founded in 2010. Now let's take a look at TIRX's most recent news. TIAN RUIXIANG Holdings Limited announced on March 25th that it received a notice of non-compliance from NASDAQ listing qualifications, which states that as a result of not having timely filed its annual report on the Form 20F for the fiscal year ending October 30th, 2023 with NASDAQ, the company is not in compliance with NASDAQ's listing rule, and that requires timely filing of the periodic reports with the SEC. Now, the notice has no immediate effect on the listing or the trading of TIRX's stock on NASDAQ's capital market. The company has 60 calendar days or until May 20th, 2024 to submit a plan to regain compliance. If it's acceptable, then they're granted another 180 calendar days or until September 10th, 2024 to regain compliance. Now, the price action on TIRX's stock was pushed upward 312% in after hours today, and the price could keep moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Now, let's move on to TANTECH Holdings Limited, which is ticker symbol TANH, which is headquartered in Lishui, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ household and personal products company with a $2.54 million market cap and 99 employees. TANTECH Holdings Limited, together with its subsidiaries, develops and manufactures bamboo-based charcoal products for industrial energy, household cooking, heating and purification, agricultural and cleaning applications in China and internationally. And further, it develops and sells electric buses as well, electric logistic cars, specialty electric vehicles such as brushless cleaning cars, electric cleaning cars, special emergency vehicles, and funeral cars, and also solar cells and batteries and auto parts, etc. The company was founded in 1998. Let's take a look at TANH's most recent news, which is very similar to TIRX's situation. On February 27, 2024, the company also received a letter from the NASDAQ stock market notifying the company it's currently not in compliance with the minimum bid price requirement set forth in NASDAQ's listing rules. It resulted from the fact that the closing bid price of the company's ordinary shares was below $1 a share for a period of 31 consecutive business days. The company is to regain compliance with a minimum bid price requirement by August 26, 2024. It may be eligible for an 180-day extension period. Now, let's look at the price action on TANH. It went up 62% in after hours today, and the price could keep moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. For both TIRX and TANH, a continuation in price increase is possible since they're both Chinese stocks with recent news. We will be keeping an eye on them. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're just made different. The early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, now there's no guarantee that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. Now, in conclusion, TIRX and TANH are both publicly traded Chinese NASDAQ-traded companies that are in the insurance services and household products sectors, respectively. These are going to be companies that we are going to be watching because with the right increase in volume, we believe they could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will TIRX and TANH run parabolic? They will both need volume. Or who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see that continued volume before we actually day trade those stocks. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It is just my opinion. But I will have both TIRX and TANH on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I'll see all of you guys again on the flip side.